India has taken a tit-for-tat step in response to China by approving the renaming of 30 places in Tibet. This move is seen as a strong rebuttal to China's decision to rename places in Arunachal Pradesh. The renaming initiative by the Indian government comes in the wake of heightened tensions between India and China, particularly following the violent clash in the Pangong Tso area in eastern Ladakh on May 5, 2020. Since then, the two nations have engaged in 21 rounds of military talks to address the standoff, but are yet to reach a comprehensive resolution. This context underscores the strategic importance of the renaming exercise as a means for India to reaffirm its territorial claims and respond to China's aggressive nomenclature policies. As per News 18, the approved renaming by the Indian government includes 11 residential areas, 12 mountains, 4 rivers, 1 lake, 1 mountain pass, and 1 piece of land. These names, grounded in historical research and reflecting affiliations to the Tibet region, will be officially released by the Indian Army and incorporated into their maps along the line of actual control, that is LAC. The names will be presented in Chinese characters, Tibetan, and Pinyin. India's decision is a direct response to China's April 2024 action of renaming 30 places in Arunachal Pradesh, which India strongly opposed. China's practice of issuing standardized names for places in Arunachal Pradesh since 2017, with the latest list nearly matching the combined total of previous lists, has been a point of contention. Ministry of External Affairs has consistently maintained that such invented names do not change the reality of Arunachal Pradesh being an inalienable part of India. The recent move to rename places in Tibet is a strategic assertion of India's stance against China's expansionist policies, which have faced global criticism, notably in the South China Sea. Minister of External Affairs S. Jaishankar, who has taken charge for the second term, reaffirmed India's firm position on issues concerning China and Pakistan. He emphasized that India would address both border issues and cross-border terrorism with resolute determination. As far as Pakistan and China are concerned, the relations with those countries are different and the problems there are also different. Our focus with regard to China will be on finding a solution for the border issues, and with Pakistan, we would want to find a solution to the issues of years of cross-border terrorism, Jaishankar said after assuming office.
चीन के बारे में हमारी फोकस तो होगी कि सीमा में जो स्थिति जो है उसमें अभी भी कुछ इश्यूज बाकी बचे हुए हैं, तो उसको कैसे निपटाया जाए। और पाकिस्तान के साथ ये भी आप जानते हैं कि विषय जो है सालों से वो जो आतंकवाद का विषय जो है क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिज्म, हाउ डू वी फाइंड a solution.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.